Hello, and good morning, everyone. The Egyptian volcano in Iceland is erupting right now, sending a bunch of volcanic ash over 9 kilometers into the sky. We will see who was affected. The people that lived in Iceland south and southeast were mainly affected by the financial loss, but about 20 countries closed their airports because the ash from the ash cloud from the volcanic eruption is affected approximately 10 million travelers. No one died because the scientists predicted where it would erupt and where the ash cloud would go. Volcanic explosivity index scale reading. The volcanic explosivity index scale tells us the size of explosive volcanic eruptions based on their size and intensity, and it has 8 levels. The volcanic explosivity index tells us that the Egyptian eruption was between 2 and 4. Why did the Egyptian erupt? It erupted because when the ice started to melt, it formed glacial water, which started to flood the volcano, meeting bubbling magma, which caused it to erupt. Physical damage, financial loss, and emotional impact. There was no physical damage, no deaths, and no injuries, which meant that there was no emotional impact. But the financial loss was 12 billion 712 million 448,655 ADs / 3 billion euros, because the ash clouds almost covered 20 countries, so these countries had to close their airports, so approximately 10 million travelers could not travel. These are my references, and thank you.